I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw this car up ahead.
What the fuck? Shit.
I decided to look closely up to see if there was anybody in the car because I just wondered whether it was abandoned or stolen. As I was about to drive off, I wasn't sure whether I'll need to call the police or something to see if it's stolen.
What the bloody hell?
I looked to my right and I saw people on just up on the curb, and I had a thought that they might have been involved in it. So I decided to go up and turn round again to investigate. I work closely with the police as I'm a volunteer for the fire service, and I know the procedures of what's the best times for calling them. So I decided to give the advice to the people.
Is that yours?
No, that's his. That's mine.
Oh, okay. Is it getting moved, or is it all right?
Yeah, we're just trying to get that sorted.
Oh, have you called the police or?
No, I don't think it's working on that, but I guess potentially. I'm going to try and get the RSC on the phone now, so I can get my membership number.
Oh, right. Okay.
So go get them in and hopefully they can. I can't move it. Fucking wheel. So.
Okay. You might. I would say because I'm a volunteer for the fire service.
Okay.
You might want to phone the police anyway because they might be able to send a unit out to help you. Because
Okay.
if it's in the middle of the roundabout,
Yeah.
obviously that might cause a bit of a hazard as well.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, what is it? Was that 111?
no, I'll call 999 because they'll prioritise anyway. So
Yeah.
if you call them for help, and then they might be able to move it for you, get it away from the traffic
Okay.
until the RSC come. All right?
Okay, sounds good idea. Thanks very much.
Yeah.
Thanks for the advice.
Okay.